The CDR support portal contains many articles that act as reference material. They can be read in any order. A standalone article is added in response to questions on a particular topic. Participants can search the support portal and find that guidance. The data standards body identified the need to tie together the various pieces of guidance into a comprehensive, authoritative structure. The CDS Guide responds to that need. The CDS Guide brings together material about the Consumer Data Standards, CDS, in the form of a guide you can read from start to finish. The CDS Guide introduces material in a natural progression. It shows the priority and hierarchy of concepts. Each article in the CDS Guide provides guidance on one aspect of the standards. CDS Guide articles sometimes point to articles outside the guide for additional detail. Reading through the CDS Guide gives a comprehensive introduction to the Consumer Data Standards. For a quick introduction, read only the top-level articles. Read subpages for more in-depth information on a topic. The CDS Guide also provides notes on specified topics gathered from subject matter expert guidance and responses to participant questions. This is a guide, not a standard. It provides suggestions, but the DSB never tells you how to implement your system. We gather guidance in a way that may assist you with your implementation. The CDS Guide provides a framework to gather guidance on all aspects of the Consumer Data Standards. It is intended to be the central authoritative source for CDS guidance. The CDS Guide content comes from several sources. Participant questions and suggestions play an important part in improving content. When you ask a question or raise a support issue, the Data Standards Body tries to respond with helpful guidance. If it's an issue of general interest to CDR participants, the DSB may incorporate the resulting guidance in the CDS Guide. Issues discussed in CDR implementation calls and comments on support portal articles may result in additional CDS Guide content. The DSB continuously reviews support portal articles, checking whether they are correct, relevant, and current. Where appropriate, guidance is moved into the CDS Guide and the original article is archived with a link to the new location of the content. Over time, the number of standalone support portal articles is reduced, and the CDS Guide becomes more comprehensive and authoritative. The CDS Guide Table of Contents, TOC, lays out the article structure. You can move through the CDS Guide structure using the navigation buttons at the top and bottom of each article. You can return to the table of contents at any time with the TOC button. The left and right navigation moves to the previous or next pages on the same level. The up navigation moves to the parent page or to the TOC if you are on a top-level page. To follow articles and comment on articles, you must create a free account and sign in. At the top right of the CDR Support Portal page, choose Sign In. At the bottom of the Sign In dialog, choose Sign Up. The CDS Guide changes constantly as rules and standards change and in response to participant feedback. To follow changes, you must be signed in to your CDR Support Portal account. To be notified when an article changes, click Follow next to the page title. To be notified when the content of a CDS Guide section changes, click Follow next to the title on the CDS Guide section page. If you have a question on a CDS Guide entry, or you think an article needs to be clarified or corrected, you can add comments to articles. To comment, you must be signed in to your CDR Support Portal account. The DSB welcomes your comments. The CDS Guide is a structured compendium of CDS guidance gathered over many years. It is there to help participants find guidance to assist in their CDR implementations. Participant questions and suggestions have played a major part in its development. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.